Alright, wait, where's Horror Raddy? Oh no, Derple, add 2 items with command block and stone button. Oh, I will alive. 1 character. Horror Raddy back, please. Alright, guys. Horror Raddy back incoming. Hurry! Yay, Horror Raddy is back. Yeah, I'm very happy, so good. So I have new phone. Here we go, Horror Raddy. Yes, come back here.
Come here, Horror Raddy. There's his Brud driving car crashed. Oh sorry, Brud, I removed my car with calling numbers. Okay, perfect. Now let's go back home to bedroom. Yes. Let's go home, man. Garbage my cars with fix it.